Telegram stars are the official in-app virtual currency used across the Telegram ecosystem. It can be used to purchase digital products, unlock paid media on Telegram, and even get premium on the Telegram application. So as you might already know, the best way to get free Telegram stars is by using this Telegram's affiliate program that lets you earn free stars. And of course, if you watch our latest video on our channel, you will find out that we released a video explaining how to benefit from this affiliate program and get or earn free Telegram stars without even having to spend a penny. We focused on the best Telegram bot that you can rely on to get free Telegram stars. So in today's episode, we'll be diving headfirst into this affiliate program, showing you how to use automated bot features to maximize your Telegram stars or to maximize your free stars you will be earning from this affiliate program. So without any further ado guys, let's aim this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So the first step you want to take to make sure that you are maximizing your revenue from this affiliated bot is to make sure that the bots that you are affiliated with in the first place are the high earning bots, and not just that they are high earning bots, but that they are reliable as well. So for this, you just want to go to the settings and then scroll to Telegram stars. Okay, from here you click on this earn stars, and then you should see the list of programs you have here. I had to modify my programs within the last few weeks because I noticed that the bots I was using, the affiliate programs I was using were not that reliable. So you can come on here to scroll and see the bots that are highly reliable. So a quick hint is for you to go in for the bots that pay for within a short period of time. Okay, so if it's that, like for example my bot or my program here, which is the talking head bot, you can see that I receive commission from this bot for a month. Okay, so you want to go in for the bots that offer low time frame for the commissions. Okay, don't go in for the lifetime bots. Most of them are not that reliable. Okay, so you don't want to spend all your time working hard and stars just to find out that your affiliate program was terminated without you even knowing it. Okay, like for example, if you scroll here, you see a deleted account that gave free Telegram stars for a year. Okay, that you receive commissions from for a year. So anyone affiliated to this bot definitely got their affiliate program terminated, as the bot was terminated as well. So you want to go in for the bots that do not have a longer time frame for the commissions. Okay, so if you don't know the bot you want to go in for, I have made a video explaining the bot that you can actually dive in for to get maximum stars from this affiliate program. You can find that link in the video description below. So after making the right selection of your affiliate programs, it is now time to organize them and set reminders. Okay, again, you know that most of these bots actually get you free Telegram stars, or that you'll be able to maximize stars from this Telegram bot if at all you are always noticed and reminded of the tasks that go on within a bot. For example, if a user signs in or joins or do whatever mini tasks within the mini bot of this affiliate program, you earn commission, and it is very important that you get updated on the commission received in any bot, just so you can use the free stars before even getting the program terminated without you knowing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, or the next step you want to take, is to come and create a chat folder that groups all of your affiliate bots in one place. Okay, as you can see, I already have mine created, and I'm going to show you just how you can go on to creating your own chat folder for this earning bot. So the first thing you want to take is to go into the settings here. Okay, you will see chat folders. Just click on that, and then you want to create a new folder. Click here to give your folder name. You can give, just say, cash bot, something like this. And then for the chat, you want to select the bot that actually earn you revenue, okay, that earn you commissions. So you can see these other bots here are located earning bots because they have been added to my earning bots folder. Okay, So after creating your folder, after selecting the bot that you want to add to your folder, just as so, you just want to click on save and your chat folder should be created. Okay, since I already have this one created, it will be needless for me to create another one. So you can access your chat folder or your newly created chat folder from this tab here, or by switching from the all chat to the earning bot chat in my situation. So the bot I usually work with, or that I love working with, is this talking head bot, because it animates photos using AI. Okay, and I know that it is something that most people would like to use. Alright, so nowadays we now rely on automated systems or on AI to do several tasks, and if in my knowledge, I know a lot of people that rely on this type of activities to make their workflow even go smoothly. Okay, which is why I decided to dive in with this bot. So I recommend you going in for bots that can actually get you links with people in your entourage. Okay, so if you have friends that are as well relying on AI systems to animate photos or to do stuff like this, then you can go in for this talking head bot. I can drop my referral link in the description there below, just so I'll get some commission for you. Thank you. So now that I have grouped these in one folder, we can access our bots anytime we open Telegram. Okay, say we want to be checking the Telegram application every time, so you just open your Telegram application just as so, then go to the earning bot. You will see all your bots listed in one place. This is already showing how organized your bots are and how you can track their performances or their different tasks without having to go through this hefty chat. Okay, so creating a chat folder was just the primordial step to take, but if you want an even easier way to always track your bot performances, then you can go in for this schedule bot. Okay, this bot lets you set reminders for every task that you want to have on Telegram, or that you have going on, not just in Telegram but even in your daily activities. Okay, so once you set your reminder, just as I did here, I set a reminder that reminds me every 5 minutes that I have to check the earning bot section. So even if I am not logged into Telegram, or that I am not active in Telegram, I'll receive a notification from the notification panel of my phone, okay, to come into this board and see what tasks I have going on. Okay, so if I have this reminder set for earning bot, hey, I need to check it after every hour or after every 2 hours, the bot is going to remind me of this each time. So you can see I set the reminder for 5 minutes. You can extend it, or you can even continue as you set it. Okay, you can see after the time interval, this is 10:11 a.m., 10:16 a.m., 10:21 a.m., 10:26 a.m. okay, and now 10:31 a.m. okay. So if you see, the different time interval is 5 minutes, just as I said here. Okay, every 5 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how to start with this bot. Alright, so you want to just come, once you open the bot, you just type on start. Then once you type start, you have to select your language and then add your different tags. Okay, I will drop a link to this bot in the video description, so you kindly want to check that out. So now that you've started the bot, you just click on add here. Again, I'm just going to copy this command I gave earlier, just so we'll save in time. But now I'm going to change the time interval to even after every something like 1 hour, just as so. Reminder added. Next sending time today at 11:32. You can see 10:32 a.m. above there, and now the time set for the next reminder is 11:32 a.m. So every time that this time interval comes in, you will receive notification from this schedule bot reminding you to check your activities in the earning bot folder. So this bot cannot just be used to track in your Telegram earning bot, but you can also use it for your daily activities. Okay, if you have to go to the gym, if you have to take coffee at a specific time, something like that, something like this. So This bot is actually the best way I can recommend you to maximize your Telegram stars with automated bots in this affiliate program. Alright, so that's just how you get to maximize your Telegram free stars with automated Telegram features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.